Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on the Meyo app. So this works in 2025. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and we're going to go to hexmods.com and just go to the search bar and type in Meyo. And as you can see guys, it comes up. So this is the modded app with free coins, gold. So press the download button. And then before it downloads, it's going to be one more step. This is the verification. So what we need to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see guys, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. You don't have to download all of them. You just have to download 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 10. It's a game, so I could do that. TikTok, down run for 30 seconds, Travel Town, reach level 9. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but yeah, this is super cool. So if you guys like the Meyo app and you want to get unlimited golden coins and everything like that on it, definitely go over to hexmods.com and try this out, guys, because it's super cool, guys, and it totally works. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. But yeah, this is super awesome, guys, and you can enjoy it immediately. So I feel like a lot of people don't know about this mod. That's why I shared it. But yeah, this is super awesome, guys, and it totally works. So if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome. And if you use the Meyo app every day, you know what it's like to be broke. So yeah, super awesome. So just do the verification, download the 2 apps, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super insane, guys. Totally works. So peace out, guys.